In this topic, you'll learn how to create a simple macro and run that macro using a predetermined key combination. Recently, you have been highlighting various sheet cells and inserting comments. In order to speed up your work, you decide to create a macro in order to automate this task and make it available for any workbook. Select the cell where you want to start your macro. Select the Use Relative References button to allow your macro to run in different cells. Then select the Record Macro button. Give your macro a name. The first character of the macro name must be a letter. Subsequent characters can be letters, numbers, or underscore characters. The spaces cannot be used in a macro name. An underscore character works well as a word separator. Select a letter to assign a key combination to the macro. Letters may be upper or lower case, but using the Shift key to insert an uppercase letter will assign Control, Shift, and letter to the macro. In the Store Macro In list, select the workbook where you want to store the macro. If you want a macro to be available whenever you use Excel, select Personal Macro Workbook. When you select Personal Macro Workbook, Excel creates a hidden Personal Macro Workbook, if it does not already exist, and saves the macro in this workbook. Give the macro description if you wish, and then select the OK to start the recording. Perform the actions that you want to record. On the Developer tab in the Code group, click Stop Recording. To run your macro, select the cell that you want the macro to start in and select your predetermined key combination.